To make vegetable biryani, start by cooking the basmati rice with bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. While the rice is cooking, prepare the vegetables by sautéing onions, adding ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and mixed vegetables. Once the vegetables are tender, stir in yogurt and cook for a few more minutes to create the vegetable masala. Next, layer the vegetable masala and partially cooked rice in a pot, repeating until all the ingredients are used. Cover the pot tightly and cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the rice to finish cooking through steam. Finally, gently fluff the biryani with a fork and serve hot with raita or a side of your choice.